Unlocking safety. Understanding safety lock engaged. Hello and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might encounter in various contexts. Safety lock engaged. This phrase is not only important for its direct meaning but also offers insight into how English combines words to convey specific actions and states. Let's explore together what it means, where you might hear it, and why it's important. Safety lock engaged is a phrase composed of three key parts: safety, lock, and engaged. To fully understand it, we'll break down each word. Safety refers to the condition of being protected from or unlikely to cause danger, risk, or injury. Lock is a mechanism for keeping a door, lid, etc., fastened, typically operated by a key, a code, or a device. Engaged means that something is in a state of being active, in use, or locked into place. Putting these together, safety lock engaged means that a safety mechanism has been activated to prevent any unwanted or dangerous operation. This phrase is common in contexts where safety is paramount. Here are a few examples. Firearms. Before a gun can be fired, its safety lock must be disengaged. Hearing, safety lock engaged, means the gun is currently in a safe mode. Machinery. In factories or with heavy equipment, a safety lock prevents accidental activation. Vehicles. Some cars have safety locks for doors, especially to protect children. Electronics. Devices might use a safety lock to prevent unintended use. Understanding this phrase is crucial for safety instructions and operating various devices or machinery correctly. For English language learners, the phrase, safety lock engaged, is a fantastic example of how English uses specific word combinations to express complex ideas. It showcases compound nouns. Safety lock is a noun made by combining two words to create a specific meaning. Passive voice. Engaged is often used in a passive construction, indicating the state of the safety lock without specifying who engaged it. Learning such phrases enhances vocabulary and understanding of English sentence structure, which is essential for fluency. We hope this exploration of safety lock engaged has been enlightening. It's a phrase that not only carries importance in matters of safety but also offers rich linguistic insights. Whether you're operating a device or delving into English mechanics, remembering the significance of such phrases enriches your language learning journey. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next exploration together.